Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily enable smart text input on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also don't forget to put your likes. So, to begin with, I will tell you now what smart text on iPhone is. It's when you absolutely in any correspondence, you open your keyboard, type in some words, type in your text, and at the top you'll have words that you might want to type in. For example, if you type in the first words, the word love, the full word appears at the top and you don't have to type it out. You can just click on it and it will be inserted right away. So how to enable this handy feature? To do this, open the phone settings, then scroll down a bit. Then open Basic. Here also scroll down a little bit and you will see the keyboard here. After you open the keyboard, you can see here. Here's a feature like Smart Water Text. As you can see, I have it disabled right now. If you have it disabled as well, then just press the button to activate it. After that, you will have this feature already enabled. That's the simple way, friends, you can enable Smart Here text on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon, friends. Bye everyone.